Hello students, welcome back to Kabira Academy online study channel. Myself Ram Ashish Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video, we discussed our question number 30 from exercise 4a. In this video, we are going to discuss about question number 38. That is to solve the quadratic equation. So, the question is solve 2 by x square minus 5 upon x plus 2 is equal to 0. You can see here that x square is as a denominator and x is also as a denominator. So, it is little bit different from the previous question. First of all, we will convert this in the form of quadratic equation, and after that we will solve the question for the value of x. So, let us solve the question. So, it is 2 upon x square minus 5 upon x plus 2 is equal to 0. As you can see here, x square and x are the denominators. So, we will take the LCM. So, our LCM will be x square. And if we divide x square by this one x square, we get 1. So, 2 into 1 means 2 minus, here it is 5 and it is here x. When x square is divided by x, so we will get x. So, here it comes 5x. Here you can see that this is 2, means the denominator of 2 is 1. So, when we will divide x square by 1, we will get the x square. And x square multiplied by 2, it will be 2x square is equal to 0. Now, we know about cross multiplication. So, when we will multiply x square by 0, we will get this x square will be eliminated. So, here it is 2 minus 5x plus 2x square is equal to x square into 0 means 0. Now, we will write this equation in this type. 2x square, here it is minus 5x and this one plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can see that this question is in the form of previous questions. So now we can solve this question. This 2 into 2, it will be 4. And now we will split this 5 in such two parts that the product should be equal to the 4 and sum should be equal to the 5. So, the part will be 4 and 1. So, it will be, in place of 5, we will write 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5 and 4 1s are 4. And here it is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, open the bracket, 2x square minus 4x and here minus 1x means x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, we will group two terms. From here, we will take common as 2x. When we take common 2x, here 2 will come here, but x will be remained, 1x will remain here, and from 4 when we take common 2, it will remain 2. So, this is x minus 2 and here it is minus. So, we take common minus 1, that time it will remain x here and we take common minus. So, this plus will be converted into minus. So, it is minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, you can see x minus 2 there is in both terms. So, x minus 2 is common. It will remain here. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have got the two factors of the given quadratic equation. From here we can find out the value of x. So here if x minus 2 is equal to 0, this one, so x is equal to 2 and two x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we get 2x is equal to 1 when it is transported to other side. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So we got two values of x, and we know that for quadratic equation we get two value of x. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the two solutions for the given quadratic equation 2 upon x square minus 5 by x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this way you can solve any other question which is based on this question. That's all. Thank you.